Ever wondered how to achieve incredible wealth in a short time? Picture this. In just 6 months, you could transform your life, going from ordinary to extraordinary, from financial struggles to a clear path toward financial freedom. Today, we're exploring the remarkable story of Jack Ma, China's richest man, and revealing the strategies he used to create unimaginable wealth. And what if I told you these same strategies could work for you too? Jack Ma's name is now synonymous with success, but he didn't start out wealthy. He began as an English teacher, earning just $10 a month. Today, he's a world-renowned entrepreneur, the visionary behind Alibaba, a global e-commerce powerhouse that has changed the way we do business online. Jack Ma's journey is one of resilience, vision, and the relentless pursuit of what others thought was impossible. In this video, you'll uncover the exact principles Jack Ma used to build his empire. Principles so effective that they could help you achieve financial success in just 6 months. Whether you're dreaming of starting your own business, looking to bring your ideas to life, or simply wanting to improve your financial situation, these lessons are invaluable. Imagine what you could accomplish by learning from one of the greatest business minds and applying those lessons to your life. Before we dive in, I want to know, are you ready to start your journey to financial success? If so, type, "I'm ready to be rich" in the comments below. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. Jack Ma's philosophy on wealth. Jack Ma, the co-founder of Alibaba, believes that wealth is more about mindset than money itself. He often emphasizes the importance of thinking big and staying positive, even when the odds are stacked against you. According to Jack, your thoughts shape your reality. If you think small, you'll achieve small. But if you think big, the possibilities are limitless. Jack Ma's own story is a testament to this mindset. He faced countless rejections and failures, from being rejected by Harvard multiple times to being turned down for jobs, including one at KFC. But he never let these setbacks define him. Instead, he saw each failure as a stepping stone, a chance to learn and improve. Jack often says, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." This simple yet profound statement captures his belief in the power of perseverance. He understands that challenges are inevitable, but it's your response to those challenges that determines your success. For Jack Ma, failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. He believes that every failure teaches you something valuable, something that will bring you closer to your goals. This mindset allowed him to build Alibaba from a small startup in his apartment to one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. So, what can we learn from Jack Ma's philosophy? First, embrace a big picture mindset. Don't be afraid to dream big, even if it feels out of reach. Second, stay positive, especially when things get tough. And finally, see failure not as a dead end, but as a crucial part of your path to success. The importance of timing and opportunity. Jack Ma has always been a firm believer in the power of timing and the importance of seizing opportunities. He often talks about how success is not just about having a great idea, but about acting on it at the right moment. According to Jack, opportunities are everywhere, but they don't last forever. You need to be ready to grab them when they appear. One of Jack Ma's famous quotes perfectly captures this mindset. "If you don't give up, you still have a chance." This means that persistence is key, but so is being prepared to take action when the right moment arrives. Jack knows that opportunities don't wait for you, they come and go quickly. If you're not paying attention, you might miss them. Jack's own life is a perfect example of this. In the early days of the internet, while many people were skeptical, Jack saw a massive opportunity. He understood that the internet could connect businesses and people in ways that had never been possible before. While others hesitated, Jack acted. He founded Alibaba, and the rest is history. By identifying and capitalizing on this opportunity at the right time, Jack Ma was able to grow Alibaba into one of the most successful companies in the world. This wasn't just luck, it was a combination of foresight, timing, and the courage to take action. So, what can we learn from Jack Ma about timing and opportunity? First, always be on the lookout for opportunities. They might not always be obvious, but they're there. Second, don't be afraid to take a risk when you see a chance for growth. And finally, remember Jack's words: if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Keep pushing forward, and when the right opportunity comes your way, seize it with both hands. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to join our journey to 100,000 subscribers. Your support helps us reach more people and share valuable insights on achieving financial freedom. Comment, "I am already subscribed," if you're already part of our community. Let's continue to grow and learn together, supporting each other on the path to financial prosperity. Leveraging technology for wealth. Jack Ma is a strong advocate for the power of technology in modern business. He believes that in today's world, leveraging technology isn't just an option, it's a necessity. According to Jack, technology is the key to unlocking new opportunities and achieving financial success. When Jack Ma started Alibaba in the late 1990s, the internet was still in its infancy, especially in China. But Jack saw its potential long before most others did. He understood that the internet could bridge gaps, connect businesses, and open up a global marketplace. While many were skeptical about the future of e-commerce, Jack bet on it. He used the internet to grow Alibaba from a small startup into a global giant, revolutionizing the way business is done in China and beyond. Jack often emphasizes that technology levels the playing field. It allows small businesses to compete with large corporations and gives individuals the tools to create wealth on their own terms. In his view, embracing technology is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about staying ahead of the curve. In today's world, the importance of technology in business has only grown. Whether it's through e-commerce, social media, or data analytics, technology provides countless ways to reach customers, streamline operations, and scale businesses. Jack Ma believes that those who harness the power of technology are the ones who will thrive in the future. So, how can you apply Jack Ma's philosophy to your own journey? First, stay curious about new technologies and how they can be applied to your business or personal projects. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and platforms. They might just be the key to unlocking your next big opportunity. And finally, remember that in today's world, embracing technology is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial success. The power of building a strong team. Jack Ma firmly believes that no one can achieve great success alone. For him, the power of building a strong team is one of the most crucial factors in achieving long-term success. He often says, "If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together." This reflects his deep understanding that while individual effort is important, teamwork is what truly propels you to new heights. When Jack Ma started Alibaba, he knew that he couldn't do it all by himself. He didn't just look for the best talent, he looked for people who shared his vision and were passionate about the future of e-commerce. Jack's early team consisted of 17 people, including friends and former colleagues. None of them had significant business experience, but they all believed in Jack's vision for Alibaba. Together, they worked tirelessly, overcoming countless challenges and failures to build the company into what it is today. Jack often credits his team for Alibaba's success. He believes that a great team doesn't just bring diverse skills to the table, they bring different perspectives, ideas, and the ability to see things from angles you might miss on your own. This diversity in thought and skill is what helps a company navigate through tough times and capitalize on opportunities. So, what does this mean for you? If you're aiming to build something great, whether it's a business, a project, or even a personal goal, surrounding yourself with the right people is key. Look for team members who complement your skills, people who are strong where you are weak, and who share your passion and drive. Remember, a strong team can turn a good idea into a groundbreaking one. Jack Ma's success with Alibaba is proof that when you build a team that shares your vision, the possibilities are endless. So, take a page from his book and focus on building your own team of dedicated, like-minded individuals. Together, you can achieve far more than you ever could alone. Jack Ma's 6-month wealth building plan. Let's dive into a hypothetical 6-month wealth building plan inspired by the principles of Jack Ma. This plan isn't just about making money. It's about laying the foundation for long-term success by following the steps that have guided Jack Ma on his journey. Month 1 to 2. Develop the right mindset and start identifying opportunities. The first step in Jack Ma's wealth building philosophy is developing the right mindset. During the first 2 months, focus on cultivating a positive, growth-oriented mindset. Jack Ma believes that your thoughts shape your reality, so it's crucial to think big and stay optimistic, even when faced with challenges. Begin by setting clear financial goals and visualizing the success you want to achieve. At the same time, start identifying opportunities around you. Whether it's in your current job, a side hustle, or an entirely new venture, look for gaps in the market, emerging trends, or problems you can solve. This is the time to be curious, observant, and open-minded. Month 3 to 4. Leverage technology and begin small-scale investments or projects. With the right mindset in place and opportunities identified, it's time to take action. In months 3 and 4, focus on leveraging technology to kickstart your wealth-building journey. Whether it's starting an online business, investing in digital assets, or using technology to streamline an existing project, make sure you're incorporating modern tools and platforms into your plan. This is also the time to begin small-scale investments or projects. Don't worry if you're starting small. Jack Ma started Alibaba in his apartment with just a few people. The key is to start. Use this period to test your ideas, learn from your experiences, and refine your approach. Remember, the goal is to use technology to your advantage and lay the groundwork for bigger things to come. Month 5 to 6. Focus on building a strong team and scaling your efforts. As you enter the final 2 months of this plan, it's time to focus on scaling your efforts. This is where the power of a strong team comes into play. Start building a team that complements your skills and shares your vision. Remember, as Jack Ma often says, if you want to go far, go together. With the right team in place, begin scaling your project or investment. This might mean expanding your business, increasing your investment portfolio, or taking your idea to the next level. The key is to keep pushing forward, using the momentum you've built over the past few months to drive even greater success. By the end of this 6-month plan, you'll have developed a powerful mindset, identified and acted on key opportunities, leveraged technology to your advantage, and built a strong team to help you scale your efforts. While this plan is just the beginning, it's a solid foundation inspired by the principles that helped Jack Ma become one of the richest men in the world. Keep going, and who knows where you'll be in another 6 months. The role of persistence and hard work. Jack Ma's journey to becoming one of the richest men in the world is a testament to the power of persistence and hard work. He often says, "The very important thing you should have is patience." For Jack, success isn't about being the smartest or the most talented. It's about being the most determined. Jack Ma's relentless work ethic is legendary. He faced numerous setbacks and failures, from being rejected by dozens of jobs to struggling to get investors for Alibaba in its early days. But through it all, Jack never gave up. He worked tirelessly, often around the clock, to build his vision. His perseverance is what ultimately turned his dreams into reality. Jack believes that consistent effort is crucial to achieving financial success. It's not about working hard just once or twice. It's about putting in the effort day after day, even when the results aren't immediately visible. This kind of persistence builds momentum over time, leading to breakthroughs that wouldn't be possible without that sustained hard work. But it's not just about grinding away. Jack also emphasizes the importance of working smart. He encourages people to learn from their failures, adapt, and continuously improve their approach. Hard work is essential, but so is the willingness to change tactics when something isn't working. In Jack Ma's view, hard work and persistence are non-negotiable if you want to achieve your financial goals. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned, but those who keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough, are the ones who eventually succeed. So, as you pursue your own financial goals, remember the lesson from Jack Ma. Persistence and hard work are your most valuable tools. Keep showing up, keep putting in the effort, and never lose sight of your vision. With enough determination, you can turn your goals into reality, just like Jack Ma did. Now that you've learned the powerful principles that fuel Jack Ma's success, the question is, how will you use them? The road to wealth isn't just about knowledge, it's about taking action, applying what you've learned, and staying committed to your goals. If you're serious about transforming your life, I want to hear from you. What are your goals? How do you plan to apply Jack Ma's principles to achieve financial success? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Type, "I'm ready to apply Jack's principles" to declare your commitment and take the first step towards your goals. Remember, your success starts with that commitment. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel and ensures you'll see more content like this. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the insights that could change your life. And if you know someone who could benefit from Jack Ma's principles, share this video with them. Together, we can all move closer to financial freedom. Your journey to wealth starts right now. Believe in yourself, take consistent action, and in 6 months, you could be on your way to financial success. Remember, the path to success isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about the growth, learning, and transformation that happen along the way. So take that first step today, and let's walk this path together.